Hello everyone! For this episode, we will be helping out one of our valued automotive workshop customers, Aman Car Solutions. They asked for our recommendations on what to offer their customers who wanted to customize their cars, may it be 4x4 or those that are in the luxury line of vehicles. And with that, we will introduce to you UPOL Raptor. Welcome to the third episode of Nehmeh Knows. UPOL Raptor is a durable coating that provides surfaces with a protective barrier that can withstand the toughest situations. Alongside with this, it has a lot of other features that the end users will definitely appreciate. Check this out. First, UPOL Raptor has a ready black and white and a third option which is a tintable which you can get in any color that you want. For a classic look, black color is the way to go. But UPOL Raptor also offers an option for color change using its tintable version. Our customers can select from 15 different colors ranging from white, blue, yellow, and even red, giving them the luxury of options to choose from. Second, UPOL Raptor can be used on almost any surface of the car. With the versatility of this product, it can be applied to the body, bumper, and even for the bedline of the pickup cars and trucks. And to top it off, UPOL Raptor can also be used for grills and gates, workshop floors, and even on boats. Third, its finish is impeccable. Just dial up the nozzle of your spray gun according to your desired result and you will surely get it done. Whether you want it to be texturized, matte, or smooth, UPOL Raptor gives you the best possible outcome. Lastly, you get the value for your money. Since UPOL Raptor can withstand the toughest situations, it is a coating that is more durable than any other paints. Repainting is not a need, thus saving you money is a promise. The Aman team finds the best solution to all queries put forward by their clients with 100% precision toward customer satisfaction. So, do you think UPOL Raptor will be a big hit for your customers too? There's definitely no doubt about that. Again, this is Shannon, your Nehmeh advisor. See you on the next episode of Nehmeh Knows.